Are you looking to build a landing page with GetResponse but not sure where to start? In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to create an effective landing page with GetResponse and explain the features that make it a good option, as well as some drawbacks. By the end, you'll know if GetResponse is the right fit for your needs, or if there are better alternatives out there. First, let's dive into the basics. Creating a landing page with GetResponse is relatively simple. The platform offers a drag and drop editor that lets you customize your page easily. Once you log in to GetResponse, go to the Create a Landing Page section. This will bring up a variety of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, you choose the one that best suits your goals. Whether you're looking to capture email addresses, promote a product, or drive traffic, there's a template for that. But keep in mind, while the templates are versatile, they aren't as customizable as some users might want. You'll have some limitations with design and layout flexibility compared to more advanced landing page builders. Next thing to consider is the integrations. GetResponse allows seamless integration with various third-party apps like CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media accounts. If you're running a business with multiple tools, this is an essential feature. However, if you rely on a very niche tool that's not supported by GetResponse, you might need a workaround or rely on Zapier. The third thing we need to mention is A/B testing. This feature is key for improving your conversion rate. GetResponse allows you to test different versions of your landing page to see which one performs better. While this is a great feature, GetResponse's A/B testing options are a bit limited when compared to more advanced landing page software. For example, you don't have as much control over specific variables, which could be frustrating for users who need more detailed testing features. Now let's talk about the fourth thing, analytics. GetResponse provides basic analytics on your landing page performance, like how many people are visiting and converting. You can track your clicks, impressions, and conversion rates, but again, these features are pretty basic. If you need advanced reporting or deep insights into user behavior, you might find GetResponse a bit lacking. For users who want detailed reporting, other platforms might do a better job. One more thing, GetResponse's pricing. It's affordable, especially if you're just starting out, but once you scale up, it can get pricey, especially if you need access to more advanced features. You'll be paying for features you might not use. If you only need landing page functionality and a simple email marketing tool, it could work fine for you. But if you need extensive marketing automation, you might want to look into alternatives that offer more bang for your buck. So, should you go with GetResponse for building your landing page? It's a solid choice if you're just getting started with basic landing page creation and email marketing. But for those of you who need more advanced features, you might find it lacks the flexibility and depth needed for higher level strategies. Here's the catch. If you're aiming for more customization, better A/B testing, and more in-depth analytics, there are some alternatives you'll want to check out. Stick around, because I've got a special offer for you on a tool that's not only easier to use, but also gives you much more control over your landing page creation. Through our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial, along with benefits that you won't find anywhere else. We've also included some fantastic alternatives that are better suited for the goal of creating highly optimized landing pages. So, don't miss out. Click the link below and start building more powerful landing pages today.